The life you want is waiting for you at 5 a.m. But you keep hitting snooze on it? Every night, you promise yourself, tomorrow I'll wake up early. You set the alarm. But morning comes. And nothing changes. The alarm rings. You reach out. And hit snooze without even thinking. Again. And again. And again. Let's be honest. This isn't laziness. This is a pattern. First problem. Your nights are destroying your mornings. You stay up late scrolling. Your eyes are tired, but your thumb keeps moving. You say, just 5 more minutes. And suddenly, it's 1 a.m. Now tell me. How are you supposed to wake up at 5 a.m. when you barely slept? Second problem. You don't have a strong enough reason. If someone offered you $10,000 to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow, would you still snooze? No. You'd get up instantly. So the issue is not your alarm. It's your why. Third problem. You are addicted to comfort. Your bed feels safe, and your brain says, stay here. Because growth is uncomfortable. Fourth problem. You rely on motivation. At night, you feel powerful. You watch videos, you feel inspired. But morning comes. And that feeling disappears. Because motivation doesn't last. Habits do. Fifth problem. You trained yourself to snooze. Every time you hit snooze, you teach your brain that your alarm doesn't matter. And now, it believes you. Now let's talk about the consequences. You wake up late. And your day starts with stress. You rush everything. No time to think. No time to plan. You skip your goals. No workout. No growth. And at the end of the day, you feel it. That quiet regret. I could have done more. Meanwhile, someone else is waking up early. Working. Improving. Growing. Not because they're special. But because they're consistent. And slowly, they move ahead. So if you don't change this, nothing changes. Now, let's fix it. First, fix your night. You don't wake up early. You prepare to wake up early. Set a fixed sleep time. And stick to it. And most importantly, no phone 30 minutes before bed. Let your brain slow down. Second, find a real reason. Not I should wake up. But I have to. Something that pulls you out of bed. Because when your reason is strong, you don't need motivation. Third, make it hard to stay in bed. Keep your alarm far away. So when it rings, you have to get up. And once you're standing, half the battle is already won. Fourth, use the 5-second rule. When the alarm rings, don't think. Just count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Because thinking creates excuses. Fifth, make mornings enjoyable. Right now, your brain hates mornings. So change that. Stretch. Walk. Play music. Sixth, start small. Don't jump from waking up at 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. overnight. That's not discipline. That's unrealistic. Shift slowly. Build consistency first. Seventh, track your progress. Every day you wake up early. Mark it. Build a streak. Because once you see progress, you won't want to break it. Now imagine this. You wake up at 5 a.m., no rush. No stress. Just silence and clarity. You have time. Time to think. Time to work. Time to grow. You start becoming stronger. More focused. More So ask yourself. What are you going to choose tomorrow morning?